Hello, I'm Jack Hannam. I'm the president of the British Society of Soil Science, and this is a little invitation for you to join us at our annual conference this year. It takes place in Belfast on the 4th and 5th of December, so an absolutely perfect way to celebrate World Soils Day, and it's co-hosted by the Soil Science Society of Ireland. The conference theme this year is on soil monitoring and management, and we've got an absolutely brilliant programme with some fantastic invited keynote speakers. The programme also includes a policy session with representatives from the devolved administrations and the Republic of Ireland, so get your questions ready for the panel. And there's also a chance to go out into the field to visit a site, the Soil Nutrient Health Scheme of Northern Ireland. And finally, the social programme includes a fantastic gala dinner where you can celebrate with your friends and colleagues. So for more information, please visit our website to book, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you there.